Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. Like previously we have done many of the things related to HTML and CSS, and now today also we will be covering up some of the things which are really important of HTML and CSS. So today I will show you how to build one beautiful website product display in HTML and CSS. So it will be really helpful project, and it will be really amazing project for you, and I hope you will be learning many things from this project, and many of the things which you have learned previously on you will be repeating that all things which we have done, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video also. So I hope you will be understanding and enjoy, and if it is understandable video for you and you are learning from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family members so they can learn how to do code and what is coding and how to do coding in HTML and CSS, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying this video. So today we will be, just like I'm telling you, building a beautiful and amazing website product display, and in that we will be putting some of the images, and if we want to put, we can also put text, but I'll be just only putting some of the pictures of, or you can say images of products on my page of HTML, and I will be showing you how to upload your image and how to just put your image on your background. So I hope you will be enjoying this video. So now we'll be starting with our project. So like I've telling you, we will be just building a website product page in HTML and CSS. So previously we have just built many of the things related to HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoyed. So this video will be really helpful for you. So previously on we will be just we were just working with our text editor like Sublime text editor. So I will be opening that text editor directly from my Windows tab. If you are having it on desktop, you can open that from there, but I am having it on my search bar, so I'll be opening that from here. You can see we are getting, now I will be pressing control and pressing backspace to delete these all things because I don't want that. And here I will be just doing that, like closing this file, and now it is done. Save this and save here also. So when you will be getting a small icon of circle at this right side here where I have put my cursor, so means that it is not saved, so you have to press Ctrl S to save it again. Now we have saved our two files, and like previously we are working on that. This is my index.html, this is my style.css, so I will be working with that. Simply I'll be opening my index.html file directly here because my Opera browser is default browser, so I have opened that. Now here I'll be closing that and again opening because by mistake I closed that file. Now you can see it has been opened. Now I'll be drag and dropping, or you can say drag. I'll be dragging that on the right side so I can just see what I am making. So you can see now we have done our coding at the left side, and where which interface we will be getting at the right side we have done. Now we have to write some of the starting code of HTML here. So I'll be making this starting tag here, writing HTML. You can see starting code has been appeared. Write title here. So title I want of like you can say we are just making a website product display. So here I'll be writing website product display. So you can just write here. You can see we have written their website product display, and when you have written that, here you have to do just save here by pressing Ctrl S, and you can just directly reload here. Then at the left side you can see where it is written index.html, you will be getting your website product display which is written here. So I'll be reloading that. You can see we are getting website product display at the left side, and it is looking good. Now we should getting our interface here at this center. So for getting your interface, you have to make some of the things which I am telling you. Just come here, over here, write h1 tag. Then simply I will be writing the heading of website product page. Like previously when we have made any of the project, we are first writing our heading. So today also we will be first writing our heading here. Reload this. You can see we are getting heading, but it is too small. You can see one thing, it is too small because I have not zoom in. You can see now it is 100, so it is looking good. Now I want it should be just going in center, and it should be good looking, like font family and everything should be good here. So for doing that, you have to just move to style.css. Then you have to just first of all link your style sheet here in your HTML sheet. So here I will be now just linking that. So for linking that, here you have to give it the name, and for giving it the name you have to just write here link, press tab and enter. You just link that by writing style.css. Now move down here, you have to just save this file now. Then when you have just saved this file, you have to simply save now here. Then go to style.css because now we have linked, and we can now just write our text what we have to write in style.css. We have to style that, take it in center and take good you can say text. So here I will be now moving. Then I'll be writing font family which should be open sans, or because previously we have done many of the font family of Montserrat, so now I want it should be different, so I am doing that. If you want that font family, you can just write simply Montserrat to do. You can see we have done open sans and we want it should be in center. So you can see one thing, I've written this font family in this tag which I have telling you. It means all the things we are defining in HTML. So I want all the font family which I am writing should be open sans. So because of that, in this tag I am defining my font family. Now you have to come over here in h1 tag, and here you have to just define your text align which should be in center. I want this heading should be in center. Just save here and reload. You can see we are just getting it in center and it is looking good. Now we should getting our product coming here at the this like images we want. So you can put any of the product here. You can just move here. You can just search about Google and you can write product images, and it will be many of the images of product you will be getting. Just go to images, not videos. You can see we are getting many of the product of images you can put here. So it's your choice what image you can put. Just hit refresh because now it decided it was just not coming. You can see like I will be downloading this one. Just save this image by pressing save image as. You can take from any website also directly, give it the name of product one, so it will be easy for us to just remember the images name. So I will be downloading 3 images from here and just I'll be putting it on my HTML file. So simply download another 2 images. So like this one I will be downloading. You can just press right click. Just remember one thing, when you are opening image, so one downloading thing is just here. So when it is finished, then you have to download, not directly. So now I will be giving that to product 2, and here just save that on desktop. So don't give it .jpeg again because it is saved in 2 times if you give .jpeg again. So here I'll be saving this one also. Save images and then give it the name of product 3. And then when you've done that, just save it on desktop simply. And here when you have done that, you can see our images has been saved. I'll be closing this tab directly and I'll be just drag and dropping that on the right side to just see my interface. Now when you're getting, just you have to simply put that image on your this interface of HTML. So our images name was like product 1, product 2 and product 3. So we will be uploading that images. So first image was product 1.jpg. So we have put that. And remember one thing, where you have saving your image, you should having your HTML and CSS file also there. Here I'll be reloading, or you can say saving that. And when you've done that, just copy paste that tag here and just we'll be changing it to 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Save here, copy and paste. Now just move over here and take it to 2, 3, save and reload. You can see we are getting our images here like we want, but one thing is not good here. If I move over here, you can see we are getting our image. This is JPEG file, this is JPEG file, and this is GFI file. So you can see because of that this image is not coming. So I'll be telling you how to just do that. Just we have to write GFIF. So here I will be just writing, minimizing properties, then I'll be just doing copying this thing here. You can see, so my format is different, but if you are having JPEG format, so you don't have to do this. Just copy this, Control C, close that, move here, and then just change that to this thing, JFI. Okay, save here and reload. If I show you, now you can see this image is coming. So this format was changed, because of that this image was not coming. And I'll be setting all the images width to 100 pixel, then I'll be setting these images here. So just to change that also to 100 pixel, and here also I will be doing that width and it should be 100 pixel. Then just move here and write height, which should be 100 pixel. Now when you've done with that, just you have to save this file. Now reload this. You can see 2 images have 100 pixel size, and now I want this image should also be having width of 100, but I think it should be set image, so I will be given that to 500 if I show you, and this image should also be 500. Save and reload. You can see this image has been set, but I think its width is not set, so I'll be taking it to 700 if I do. Save and reload. You can see 700 is cool enough, which we want. And now I will be copying pasting this size here also, so I don't have to change it again and again, and watch the size what we are getting. Width, and here like we have done width of 700 pixels, so here I'll be doing that 700 pixel, and here height I want of 500 pixels. So just do that, save and reload. You can see now we are getting our images here on our side. You can see sidebar we are getting our image, and now I want it image should be aligned here. So here I'll be moving, then I'll be writing image, then just change that to padding 40 pixel, save and reload. You can see now we are getting our image now with the gap and now I want it should be more center, so it should be looking good. So if I do that 50, save and reload, just do that. Now it is still not good. 70, save and reload. Now you can see it is still not in center, but if I do that to 100, save and reload, and you can see now it is having a good gap between them and it is looking good, but still it is not in center, and we want our image should be in center. So if I do that, you can see still it is not coming. I think it is not coming because these are three images, and if we are getting three images, so uh, it is really difficult to do it in center, you can say. You can see now we are getting center, but I think 240 is will be enough. You can see now it is enough. Now we are getting too much gap and our images is looking good. You can see we have simply built our website product display page here. You can see we are getting our products here. You can see you can put many of the products. I put 3 products here. You can put 4 to 5 or 6 products you want, and it is looking good. You can see at the background, you can give background color. You can put your own unique things you want to put, make it more uniqueful, and you can put here background color or text color on this effect, or you can just put your image more good from, you can take from any website from, for good resolution of 1000 resolution you can take image. I've put 3 products here. Like I'm telling you, you can put 4 to 5 products because I'm making a video and I've already put many of the products in my previous product display page, but I'm showing only example to you how you can put your images and your product in this product display page. So it's your choice how product you put and how much product you put. So I hope you understand how to build this website product display in HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family members so they can learn. So I'll be meeting you in next project or next video. So for today, goodbye.